Everybody, welcome back to J&J Bowling. I know it's been a while, but today we are back at Pleasant Hill Bowling Alley, and today I have my gem by Roto that I'm going to be checking out today. I have not thrown it yet, and we're going to go ahead and do some practice throws, and then we'll get a game in. So I know you guys noticed that I'm throwing a little bit slower. I started a new job and my wrist has been hurting the last 3 weeks. So I've been throwing the ball a lot slower. Lucky last week was my last week of bowling for league. Like I said, I got the new ball today. I wanted to check it out, so you just have to bear with me. Throw a couple more shots and then we'll get in a game and we'll see how we do. Alright, we got some practice throws in and I'm ready to start my game. I didn't bring a spare ball, so I'm going to just use one from here. Alright, we'll see what this ball can do. Yeah, I like that ball. Really nice ball. And then, like you said, that's the Roto grip, the gem. And I'd like to thank Storm for basically getting the ball to me. Like I said, I had traded in my UFO alert, and within a couple weeks, my pro shop, Pleasant Hill J Birds up here, Newcastle, Delaware, just texted me and said, "Hey, come get your bowling ball." It was ready, and like I said, it was only a couple weeks, since I sent the ball out, that I was able to get my my ball. So Thank you, Storm, for doing that. Really appreciate it, and it's a great bowling ball. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching J&J Bowling. We'll try to get more videos out of here for you guys to watch. I know it's been a while, but hopefully you enjoyed this one. It's the first time that I actually made a video on a new bowling ball that I got, and bowled it right out of the box and got a video on it. So, you know, talk to your local pro shop and go on these bowling balls, because it was very good. You know, it was great actually. And like I said, I bowled pretty good with it. So, all right, thanks for watching.